coming up. Okay. All right. Very good.
Last time I landed it, I got a little too close to that thing.
See, it feels like you're going to be high, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But then you use the brakes, you hit the headwind, come right down.